Meet Sarah and Mark.
Welcome to the future, Mark. This is my new Tesla on full self-driving.
Wait, you are not driving, full self driving.
The cameras, sensors, and AI actively monitor everything 360 degree. It handles traffic, line senses, and navigation.
Wow, it's driving itself. Wow, it really is driving itself.
It's so smooth. It can finally relax on road trips.
Relax, my heart is pounding. Or robot is driving. See, she made it no stress and look at the visualization. See,
I'm still breathing. You did not even toss with well. Told you, although I should probably teach you how to take over next time for fun.
fun.